The whole idea that you have to post one listing per day on Etsy is total BS. And today I'm going to show you what you should be doing instead of that and why that's going to get you results. Let's get this out of the way. Publishing one listing a day does not guarantee Etsy success. And it also doesn't guarantee more traffic. Quality trumps quantity any day of the week when it comes to your listings. You don't have to have 1,000 listings to get traction on Etsy. I'm going to actually walk you through one of my actual Etsy listings, and I'm going to show you how to grow your shop without having to come up with new novel listings every day. And before we get started, please leave a comment below. I want to hear how much revenue you did last year on Etsy, and I want to know how many listings you have in your shop. I think that would be really interesting for us to see each other's total revenue versus total listing count. Now, for me, I've done about 1.7 million in revenue on Etsy, and it's over $1 million in profit. And at the peak, I had about 900 listings. Now, that was at the time when I had the widest product mix before I had fully outsourced production, and I created more efficiency in my product mix. And now I have about 500 listings, and it's pretty much on autopilot. So I'm in what I call the marathon phase, which is really the long game. At that point, you've already really established yourself as a market leader and you have momentum. Think about your shop like an apartment complex. You are the landlord. You want every listing to be paying rent if they want a spot on your page. Now, when I first started doing 6 figures per year, I had less than 200 listings. And currently, I actually have a student that does over 55,000 per month with less than 365 listings. I have another student who did 438,000 in his first full year, and that was with one product type and about 86 listings. I also have a student who did $500,000 on one product across 2 listings, and that was just in 1 year. So why am I sharing this? What does this mean? I want to get it out of your head that you have to be creating new listings every single day to get to the top 1% on Etsy, because it's simply not true. Instead, we focus on creating what I call power listings that are really revenue drivers. What I call power listings are listings that do a minimum of $20,000 in revenue. You might think that sounds great, but how do I do that? A power listing should serve as many people as possible and fill as many needs as possible. So this means all of the sizes, all of the colors, all of the fonts, all of the material options within one listing. That way, that one listing can serve a wide variety of customers. And then we drive a ton of traffic to it through organic social media strategies. So this is Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and even potentially YouTube. And then we iterate on those best listings with new listings that are repositioned and repurposed for new profitable customer segments. What I'm going to show you how to do is to take something that holds bows and headbands and hair clips and things for little girls or babies or whoever. I'm going to show you how to repackage and reposition this for as many profitable customer segments as possible. We do have all these different listing photos in here. These are all examples. I'm going to give you the SEO here. We're going to put in custom bow holder, headband holder, personalized baby shower gift, pacifier clip holder, girl birthday gift, baby girl nursery decor girl. And just for the sake of this video, we're going to pretend that we used up all the characters here. The concept is getting in front of as many unique search results as possible. So you can see we will show up under custom bow holder, headband, headband holder, personalized baby shower gift pacifier clip holder, girl birthday gift baby girl nursery decor, and nursery decor girl. So we are showing up in many unique sets of long tail keywords here. Now, this is very much baby, girl, nursery, that type of thing, baby shower, birthday, right? Let me show you another example of how we're gonna repackage and reposition this for a new customer with new sets of long tail keywords. So what we would do is basically copy the listing, and then you're going to rotate in a new listing photo. So this was the original listing photo, and then I'm gonna pull in one that's completely different looking. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to put in new SEO here. So what we're going to put in for this one is girl cheer bow holder name art teen girl personalized gift jewelry holder necklace hook sweet 16 gift key holder. You want to use all of the possible characters. And as you can see, I now fall under girl cheer bow holder name art teen girl teen girl personalized gift jewelry, gift jewelry holder necklace hook. You don't need plurals. Sweet 16 gift key holder, right? So same product, right? New listing photo, new customers that we are wanting to target with this. I'm just updating the titles here. Don't forget, that is not all that matters for SEO. That is just a tiny part of your SEO. And then we're going to make a copy. We are going to pull in a new photo. And now we're going to come up with a new title that's targeting new customers. So now this is going to be Flower Girl Thank You Gift for Niece, personalized gift, goddaughter, birthday gift, preteen. Room decor, light blue, and gold name sign. So as you can see, we'll pretend we filled out all of the title, but Flower Girl Thank You gift for niece personalized gift, goddaughter birthday gift preteen room decor light blue and gold name sign. As you can see, we're coming up under all completely unique long tail keywords. These 3 listings that I just created out of this one product, they will not show up under any of the same search results because they have all completely unique SEO. So as you can see, we are connecting all these different long tail keywords to serve so many different purposes and to match so many different possible search results. We're not having to come up with a brand new product every single day. Getting more traffic and increasing your traffic in a dramatic way on Etsy does not need to be as hard as some of us make it out to be. Now, doing this alone doesn't solve all of your problems with Etsy, but it doesn't mean that you have to have this endless list of brand new product ideas for your listings. Now, in our brand new program, the Ultimate Etsy course that we just launched about a month ago, we actually take you through this. We give you listings to launch with through our 7 types of products framework. Now, this is where we can help you think of just 7 different types of listings, and we can do this same process and apply the same process to those listings. Now, it's not having a t-shirt, a mug, a tote. It is about having some listings, their only purpose is to drive up your order number. Other listings, their purpose is to scale your revenue. But together, we are driving up order number and revenue at the same time. Repackaged and repositioned listings of that same thing. And last but not least, I have to say the biggest mistake that people make with this strategy is doing this strategy to bad listings, because that will take your shop completely off the rails. So you only want to do this on listings that have proof of concept. If you would like myself and my team to look at your shop and look at your listings and tell you exactly what to do next, comment below help, and we will actually just give you a link to book a free call with us. The call costs nothing, but we can show you exactly how we would help you and what the program looks like and how it might be able to fit your needs. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
The month before I started the program, I made $696. The first month after joining the coaching program, I made $4,149, and that came from 133 orders in my Etsy shop.